Welcome to short and crisp algo trade training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to talk about validity of order type. So generally, there are two different types of validity when it comes to order. One is IOC, that is immediate or cancel. So if you place an order and if it doesn't get executed immediately, it will automatically be cancelled. That is immediate or cancel order. So most of you wouldn't have used this particular option, I believe. Most of you would be using GFD order, that is good for the day. So if you place an order as GFD, the moment you place the order, it will be there in your broker's terminal and it will be good till end of the day. So that order will be valid till end of the day, and if the unless and until you go ahead and cancel it, if the price comes to that particular price point, your trade will get executed. But IOC, that is immediate or cancel order, is completely different. The price should match immediately. I mean, so in few seconds, and if the price is not matching within the few seconds, if the trade is not able to execute in the few seconds, it will automatically be cancelled. Most of you wouldn't have used this option, but anyway, right? So let's see it. Okay. So currently, we have an order placing script right here. So I'm just going to copy it once again and pasting it. So I'm just duplicating it, and I'm changing the price of the second order to 542, and I'm changing it to GFD. Okay, so this order will be valid for whole day, that is good for the day, and this order will be immediately or cancelled. So this validity will be immediately or cancelled. So few seconds after placing this order, this will get auto cancelled. So these kind of orders will be really good for scalpers, because they might have a price point in their mind, and they will put up those trades, and after placing the trade, if price shoots up and comes back after a minute or so and executes, right, it is most probably would have hit the target and then it would have came back to the entry. In that case, right, it's better not to take those trades. So if you are a scalper, I think you might find IOC order really useful, because it will wait for a few seconds and it will automatically cancel that particular order. So anyway, right, so let's run it and see how it goes. But before we run, right, so let's go back to the terminal and see the list of orders we have. So if you see, right, execute order, last order was 550 rupees. That is all we have. So going back to the script, I am running it and let's see what happens. So it's successfully executed. So if you refresh the orders, right, so you see only one order is pending, which is 542, which is the good for the day order. Okay, GFD. If you go to the executed orders, you could see 543, that is the IOC order that you placed, and that would have automatically been cancelled because it waited for a few seconds, and since it didn't get that entry, it's automatically cancelled. Immediate or cancel, you should execute, I mean the order should get executed immediately, or otherwise it will be cancelled. That's the terminology. So I hope you would have learned something new today. If you have any queries or comments, leave it down in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe buttons if you find this video useful. Thank you.